make your posture like this.
Your shoulder. Okay. सही तो है सर.
Stand, stay.
Okay.
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 It should be like this. Like this.
Okay.
Look here. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Now it is okay.
Yes, सर सही तो है.
Definitely. Now, straight your body. Yeah, that's great. Do like this. Do like this.
Okay.
Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Why are you laughing? What happened?
I'll try. Okay.
Yes, again.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
My name is Hamza.
My name is Hamza.
I am from
I am from
Lucknow.
Lucknow.
Today,
Today,
I'm standing here.
I'm standing here.
I'm standing here
I'm standing here
to talk about
to talk
a
about
topic.
the topic.
That is not only a topic.
That is not only a topic.
That is
That is
the problem
the problem
we are facing.
we are facing.
We are the Indian,
We are the Indian,
and it's our responsibility
it's our responsibility
to know
to know
about this topic,
about this topic,
about this problem.
about this problem.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm talking about
I'm talking about
unemployment
unemployment
in our country.
in our country.
Yes. Now start again. Start again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Make a posture. Make a body posture and gesture.
Okay.
Your hand should be like this. Yeah. Very nice. Once upon a time,
Once upon a time,
I was going.
I was going.
Once upon a time, I was going.
Once upon a time, I was going.
I saw
I saw
a person.
a person.
He was
He was
trying to commit suicide.
trying to commit suicide.
I saw a person
I saw a person
who was
who was
trying to commit suicide.
trying to commit suicide.
I asked,
I asked,
why do you want to commit suicide?
why do you want to commit suicide?
Why?
Why?
Why do you want to commit suicide?
Why do you want to commit suicide?
Which kind of problem are you facing in your life?
What kind of problem are you facing in your life?
I want to know.
I want to know.
You can share.
We can share.
You can share.
You can share.
I'm just your brother.
I'm just your brother.
That time,
The time
he said to me,
he said to me,
I have been preparing.
I have been preparing.
I have been preparing
I have been preparing
for a government job,
for a government job,
for a single job.
for a single job.
I have been preparing for 5 years,
I have been preparing for 5 years,
but
but
unfortunately,
unfortunately,
I could not get a single job.
I could not get a single job.
I want to.
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 commit suicide.
and commit
I don't
suicide.
want to live in this world.
I don't want to live in this world.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
My name is Hamza.
My name is Hamza. Today,
I want to talk about.
I want to talk about.
Before talking,
Before talking,
I would like to
I would like to
pay my humble gratitude
pay my humble gratitude
to Sir,
to Sir,
who has given me this golden opportunity to speak here.
who has given me the golden opportunities to speak here.
Just to speak here.
To speak here.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
talking about
talking
I'm
about
talking about
talking about
a problem
a problem.
that is not only 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 a
There
problem.
are many people.
There are many people.
There are many students.
There are many
They are
students.
facing this problem.
They're facing this problem.
They are facing this problem.
They are facing this problem.
That is
unemployment.
Are you also facing?
Are you also facing?
Do you know what is unemployment?
Do you know what is unemployment?
Do you know why it is increasing day by day?
Do you know why is increasing day by day?
Day by day?
Day by
Why it
day?
is increasing day by
What
day?
is increasing day by day?
The unemployment
The unemployment
rate is increasing
rate is increasing
in our country
in our country
day by day
day by day
because of
we don't know
we don't know the exact definition.
we don't know exactly definition.
We don't know the exact meaning of education.
We don't know exact meaning of education.
We are
Just running.
We want to get education only to get a single job.
We want to get education. Only we want a single job. Only
We know the definition.
we know the definition.
We don't know the real meaning of
We
education.
don't know the real meaning of education.
If we know,
If you know,
so we cannot face this problem.
we cannot face this problem.
You continue.
इसी तरीके.
हाँ.
Once upon a time, I
रिलैक्स करिए पहले खुद को रिलैक्स करिए. ठीक है, खुद को रिलैक्स. ठीक है. Once upon a time, pause रखिए. Once upon a time, I was going.
Once upon a time, I was going in Delhi,
Yes.
and I saw there was a people.
There were lots of people.
There was lots of people gathering gathering and
Gathered.
he gathered and discussing any problem.
Discussing about.
Discussing about a problem.
हाँ फिर से ये लाइन बोलिए. Once upon a time I was going, I saw there were many people.
Once upon a time, I was going in Delhi. I saw many people gathering about problem.
आप सोच रहे हैं, आप ये चाह रहे हैं कि एक ही लाइन में सब बोल दें. क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Once upon a time, बस I was going.
Yeah. Once upon a time, I was going in Delhi, and I saw there was a people gathering about problem. I did not know why he is gathering here,
हाँ
and what is the problem,
हाँ
and I wanted to know what is the problem. Then one of them said there was a big problem for unemployment.
हाँ. Yes,
There was a big problem for unemployment. Then I say I am also coming Delhi.
हाँ.
Also coming
I
Delhi.
also came Delhi.
Because of employment. Because of employment. And
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vandana. I am from Devariya. Today I am here.
Today I am.
Today I am here. Today I present.
आप उधर देखिए. वहाँ देखिए. इससे बात करिए चलिए.
हाँ सर, लेकिन आज प्रेजेंटेशन है.
हाँ आज प्रेजेंटेशन है.
तो
आप घूमिए. इसको देख करके बातें करिए. चलिए. हाँ इधर नहीं देखना. Good evening everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
My
name is Vandana Yadav.
Yes.
I am from Devariya. Today
हाँ.
presentation. Presentation topic.
Yes.
Unemployment.
Yes. Unemployment.
Unemployment. Why
why it is increasing?
Unemployment. Unemployment increasing because of growing population.
Yes.
Lack of industries.
Very nice.
And lack of government vacancies and private companies.
Yes.
Lots of students educated, but they not capable for
to get a
job. And lots of educated person. Lots of educated person morning to night, late night, hard working, but salary
very less.
Reason of
unemployment. Okay. Yes, continue.
Many village people depend farming and laboring, and students cannot job. Then go for village.
Okay.
And
do farming. So ladies and gentlemen, in our country, as we know that unemployment rate is increasing day by day.
Unemployment
rate is
day by day.
Day by day. As I told you,
as you told you,
as I told you,
as I told you,
what is the reason
what is the reason
behind it?
behind it?
Now, what is the reason?
What is the reason
What are the
behind
causes?
it? What are the causes
Causes behind it.
behind it?
चलिए फिर से बोलिए और उधर चलिए थोड़ा सा चलिए फिर से बोलिए Good evening everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
My name is Vandana.
My name is Vandana.
Today I'm standing here.
I'm standing here.
I want to talk about
I want to talk about
unemployment.
unemployment.
I want to talk about
I want to talk about
unemployment.
unemployment.
फिर से बोलिए इतना बोलिए सिर्फ
Good evening, everyone. My name is
Good
Vandana.
evening पे हाथ खुलेगा
Good evening. कैसे सर?
Good evening everyone.
Good evening. Sorry. Good evening, everyone.
हाँ.
My name is Vandana Yadav.
हाँ.
I am from Devariya. Today standing here, presentation.
चलिए अब बोलिए फिर से बोलिए अब टॉपिक को तुरंत गुड मॉर्निंग गुड इवनिंग से मत स्टार्ट कीजिए थोड़ा सा स्टोरी थोड़ा सा कोई शायरी कोई कोटेशन लेके आइए ठीक है Once upon a time
Once upon a time,
I was going.
Once upon a time, I was going.
I saw there were many people.
There are many people.
There were many people.
There are many people.
There were many people
There were many people.
gathered
Gathered.
front of a
Front of
a building.
a building.
I saw. I went to them. I asked why people are gathered here.
Why people are gathered
One of
here.
them
One of them
Said to me,
said to me,
there is a boy.
there is a boy.
He wants to commit suicide. He wants to commit
suicide.
He wants to
Commit suicide.
commit suicide. I asked
I asked
why does he want to commit suicide.
commit suicide.
That time
That time
the person
the person
said to me, actually
he's saying
he has been preparing last year. He has been
he has been
preparing
preparing
for 5 years,
for 5 years,
but he could not get a single job.
but could not a single job.
Could not get
Could not get
a single job. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
My name is Vandana.
My name is Vandana.
I am standing here.
I am standing here.
I want to talk about
unemployment
rate of our country.
Rate of country.
अब बोलिए चलिए.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vandana Yadav. I am standing here. I want to talk to you.
I want to talk about.
I want to talk about unemployment. Once upon a time, I was going. I saw many people gathered in building.
Front of building.
Many people gathered in front of building. I went and asked one boy. Then why are you gathered
Here.
here? Why are you gathered here? Then he said me. One student commit suicide because he has been get prepared government job for government job
Government job.
for government job, but he could not get get job. Then he committed suicide. He committed suicide because of
Unemployment.
And I came searching job. I came searching job, but I saw somewhere, no option and no job, and I came return.
I came back.
I came back. I came back. I came back. And
चलिए, thank you so much everyone.
thank you so much, everyone.
You have been great audience of the day.
You have
been
been
great audience
audience
of the day.
of the day. Thank
चलिए,
you so much.
Mike.